Hello, YouTube. This last Saturday, we went to the Dona Ana Mountains again, and we did a little bit better footage of us going through the Sphinx. And here it is. Hope you enjoy it. Turned out to be a pretty nice day. Started to get a little warm towards the end of it. With the rains we've had, it kept the dust down real nice, so it wasn't too bad. The drone helps to give you a good feel of the rolling country and a true perspective of what it's like. The drone does a great job of tracking as long as you have line of sight. But as soon as you get out of sight, it quits. So should have had it a little higher in the sky, and it might have followed you over the top. But with that sharp peak, it just kind of lost us. Thank you for tagging along with us. Hope you enjoyed this little trip through the Sphinx. There'll be one more video from this trip that we made. It should be posted on Thursday. Take care.